Pinakamahirap yung kuminsan, ikaw ay pinag-uusapan, ikaw ay chinichismis. Naging victim na po ba kayo ng chismis, gossip? Have we ever been participants in this activity? The Bible warns us about the power of the tongue, especially when it is used for evil purpose. James 3:16, the tongue also is a fire, a world of evil among the parts of the body. It corrupts the whole person, sets the whole course of his life on fire, and is itself set on fire by hell. Napaka-tibay at napakalakas ng mga pangungusap tungkol sa dila, na ang dila daw ay pinag-aapoy ng impyerno at binibigyan ng lakas ng kasamaan upang gumawa ng hindi mabuti. And indeed, words are powerful. When used for ungodly and evil purpose, the tongue becomes a tool of mass destruction. Napakarami ng tao ang nasira, napakaraming